In the animal kingdom, monogamy is the exception rather than the rule. However, the black-backed jackal defies this norm. These delicate and light-footed animals embody the true essence of monogamy done right. They form lifelong partnerships and diligently mark their territory with scat and urine. Their vocal nature fills the night air with constant barking, ensuring no predator goes unnoticed. While monogamy may seem ideal, it's not without its difficulties. The black-backed jackals encounter numerous obstacles, and one significant problem is predation. Snakes, eagles, and even leopards pose a constant threat to the young pups. It's a harsh reality they must confront, but they possess remarkable strategies to protect their offspring. But let's focus on the positive side. The solution to this problem lies in their unique breeding regime. The black-backed jackals enlist the help of their previous year's offspring to rear the young pups. It's an example of teamwork and cooperation rarely seen in the animal kingdom. The experience gained by the older siblings ensures the survival and growth of the new generation. Now let's explore their dietary habits. Black-backed jackals are true omnivores, adapting their diet to the changing seasons. During the wet summer months, their primary food source consists of invertebrates and wild fruits. As the winter arrives, they shift their focus to smaller mammals, often hunting in pairs. They supplement their diet with snakes, beetles, crickets, spiders, fruits, rats, and berries. Scavenging also plays a crucial role in their survival, demonstrating their resourcefulness. Living in such a hostile landscape, these small creatures display incredible bravery and resilience. They teach us the importance of cooperation, parental care, and adaptation.